Halloween 2021. Hello, friends. Today we are what? Yeah. We're gonna start working on Reed's Halloween costume. Woohoo! I feel like it was just like a year ago we were working on the skid loader. Now what are we gonna make this year? An Amazon man, or UPS truck, also known as. We call it Amazon man in our house because that's what he brings us most often, right? So we're gonna start constructing today. Papa's brought us cardboard again, and we're ready to start cutting our pieces out, right? Okay, we thought we'd make a video. All right, we'll show you all the process here. Okay, tell me what we're gonna do first. Cut a window. So this box is like a perfect shape, and it's a good quality, high quality box. So I think we're gonna keep it in rectangle form. I'm vlogging here. So I'm gonna cut the window out here for the front of the truck. And then go from there, I think, on what shape I need. Because then I think I just need to form a front end. And then just seam these up and cut out wheels. This may be a quick little project, Reed. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna show you all what we got done so far, right? Can you tell us what we did? What did we cut? Doors. And what's in front? You already told them that though, right? A window. Okay, so let's show them. Okay, so far this is the initial structure. We got the front window and the two doors. We're gonna have to put some supports in here because that bent, and I'm sure this one will by the time I get done. So yeah, next step will be this front end. Gotta measure this out. So this is gonna come out like this, and we gotta build sides and a bottom for it. Good, Reed? You liking it? Okay. Okay, we're fully constructed. It was the quickest I think we've ever created a project before. We're getting better. So we're ready for paint. We made the doors a little bigger, and got wheels cut out here and hubcaps, but it's way too windy to paint today, so that will be for another day. Looking awesome. We're painting, what are we painting? wheels. Okay, do you know what color we're gonna paint them? Painting the wheels black. Actually, we're gonna paint the wheels like a dark gray and the hubcaps black. Does that sound good? Okay, here they are. So we're gonna get started on that. Okay. What are you doing?
I'm gonna paint this cardboard.
This.
What?
Hmm?
Cardboard.
Cardboard.
Paint. Now let me move.
There's the truck, and we got some 2x4s yesterday to hook it up to get it attached to the old wheelchair. And so now what I'm working on before I put the decals on are the lights. So I cut a bunch of circles out. I'll show you here in a second, and I just have to paint them, and then I can start putting them on. And then once we have it mounted, we'll put the wheels on as well. So that's where we're at. We're getting close. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put the decals on. We painted lights over here, and now it's time to put the decals on. Right? All right, here we go. What are we doing next on your truck?
Light.
Putting lights on? Headlights? To the front of the truck or the back of the truck? Front, yep, all right. So, let's show them what we got. We got some little discs, white and red, and we're gonna glue them on next. What's happening now?
What?
Yep, Daddy's trying to figure out how to get it attached to the wheelchair. So that's what we're working on now. There's a few design flaws that I didn't take into consideration when trying to figure out how to attach it. So it's proving to be not as easy as we thought it was going to be. Next, bud. Is it time to put wheels on? Did we get it attached to the wheelchair? Dad,
What's your name?
good job.
Did I do a good job?
Yeah,
Oh, it's up to you.
yeah. So here it is. Okay, let's get the wheels on. You like your costume? Here it is, folks. In all its glory.
Wheel.
Yeah, we fixed the wheel. So, you like it? Yeah, awesome. You look great.